Well, I worked on my new scroll saw today and got it mounted onto a table. In fact, I mounted it on the same table that my old Toolcraft jigsaw was mounted on. It's a very old antique drop leaf kitchen table, and I had to do quite a few alterations to make it work, but the base of this saw is way wider than that jigsaw was, and it doesn't fit on the top of the table. So I made some pieces of a 2x4 underneath here, and it's bolted to the top. This top, it bolts up or screws up to the top, and I had to make cutouts in the drop leaf just for that, and so I can put them up if I want, and I kind of like the extra space around the saw, so I got my dust collection almost hooked up. Whether I'll use the dust collection or not, I'm not sure. But anyway, that's my new saw. It's an Excalibur, obviously. I looked on the internet. It seems like a lot of people seem to like them and use them, so I got one. I'll put my drop leaves up here and show you what it looks like when they're up. Gotta swing these up. Reach underneath. Pull the other one up. Like so. Now we have the whole table. It's kind of like it was with the other saw, only a bigger saw. I like it. Works pretty well. I have the foot pedal. It came with this saw, so seems to work well. Runs quieter than my old jigsaw does. Well, anyway, I just thought I'd do a real short video showing you how I ended up mounting it. And that's about it. So, see y'all later. Bye for now.